The Eastpak Tranverz S rolling Holdall from Aspen of Hereford. 2-stage trolley handle. A built-in TSA padlock. 2 pairs of cinch straps. A zipped front pocket. A top and side carry handle to turn it into a suitcase carry. And inline free running skate wheels. D-shaped feet for stability. Curb guards. Twin zips lead to the main compartment, which reveals a double-decker section. On one side you have a flat flap pocket. Both halves of the bag are zipped, and 2 generous areas to pack all you need for a short trip. The Holdall is 51 centimetres tall, 32.5 centimetres wide, 23 centimetres deep. It weighs 2.4 kilograms and has a volume of 42 litres.